What's number 1?
Broccoli.
Good. What's this one? What's number 2?
It's broken.
What's number 2?
Peregrine.
Good. What's number 3?
Triangle.
Good. What's number 4?
Square.
Good. What's number 5?
Penguin.
Good. What's 6?
Penguin.
Good. What's 7?
Oval.
Good. What's number 8?
Octagon.
Jaden, good job. What's 9?
Trapezoid.
Good. What's 10? What shape? Good. Good job. What's 11?
Rectangle.
Good. What's 12?
Dog.
Good job.